Sure you feel the vibes.
Get. All right. Get. I think students think that get is the go-to word in English for everything. There is a reason I've got this. I have this. I think this is the only word that people think we have in the English language. I once heard a teacher say to a student, if you don't know the word, just use get. No. But there are some fundamental meanings. We're not talking about phrasal verbs today. We are talking about the basic meanings of get. And number one, these are nice paintings. I got them at the local market. Fair hickey. Got, in this sense, means buy. To buy. I bought these paintings. I got these paintings. Okay? So, get, buy. That's number one. Number two, did you get my email? Did you receive my email? Okay, so you need an object with both buy that. Where did you get that? Where did you buy that? Did you get my email? Did you get my message? I texted you the other day. Did you get my message? Receive. Get is receive. It can also be, did you get that present? Okay. Get that present. Did you get a present? I got a present. Number three can mean arrive. Arrive. When did you get home last night? Where were you last night? Where were you? Where were you? What time did you get home? It's a question I often ask to my dogs. Naughty. Get. It can also, number four, mean reach. Reach and arrive, slightly different. They are synonyms in some ways, but reach is also after a bit of a journey. We reach somewhere. So you reach home, you get home. It's usually after a journey. So arrive is more general, but you would reach the end of the book. You would get to the end of the book, to reach. Not reach as in reach with your arm, but reach as in arrive, as in a synonym, almost. Slightly different. You reach the end of the book, you don't arrive at the end of the book. Arrive is mainly for places. Arrive home, arrive at the station, get home, get to the station. Number five means to become. Become. Ooh, it's getting cold. It's not getting cold, it's getting hotter actually. So become, it's like a turn of state. I'm getting angry. I'm getting really angry. I'm getting really happy. Get. Yeah, so get means to become. I'm getting older. At the start of this video, I was younger. Now I'm getting older every second. Whew, philosophical. Okay, next meaning. Is it number 6 or number 7? I don't know. Is to fetch. This verb is quite unique in my language. Okay, I have 2 dogs. I have this, oh God, what is that? This thing? My dog is automatically interested. Come on. She loves this. She wants this. I do have dogs. They just, oh. And you're going to hear this in a minute because what's going to happen is crazy. What I'm going to do is throw this. Sorry, girls. That's not meant to do that. Throw this. And my dogs will run, collect it in their mouth. I'm not going to put this in my mouth. That is disgusting. Don't even think about that. They'll collect it and they will bring it back. So the action of fetch is go there, collect, and come back. These dogs are going crazy. If only you could see them. These dogs are going crazy. So, watch this. Go there, collect, and bring back. It's fetch. One action. And we do this. I'm just going to drink my coffee while this happens, while they're fetching my... Can I have it? I need to edit this. I really need to edit this. They're kind of fighting. I'm just going to do one of those Hollywood things where I go, oh, here it is. Thanks, girl. Honey. Hey, there we go. Oh, it came back. It came back. Go on, go to get it again. They love this game. I don't know. I don't get it. Eesh. Anyway, so that's get as well. It can also mean, get can also mean understand or work out. Like, do you get this? Do you get the meaning of get? Do you get this video? Do you get the answer to my next question? So, on that note, I'm gonna get lost. Means go, in a bad way. I'm gonna get out of here, leave, and I'm gonna let you try and get the meanings of these word gets. Get. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because I will get a notification. I'll receive that notification when you like and subscribe. So please do, because I'm just trying to help. See you soon.